Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not launching easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you need to do, first just type here game mode settings, then go to graphic settings. After that, click here browse, and now once you're here, if you want to know where to find Roblox, just right click on it here, click open file location, and that's it. Here we'll find it. Now just go back, and as you see, all you need to do, just type here app local app data and scroll down. Here we'll find Roblox, then click versions, and that's it. Select any folder here, and here's it, Roblox player launcher, and that's it. Just click on it, and now click options and select high performance and click save, and that's it. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.